Welcome to 2735 Grafton Avenue in Dallas, Texas. Fresh interior and exterior paint, new flooring, updated fixtures, and an open concept layout create a space perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Just off the main living area, you'll find the spacious primary suite, complete with ample closet space and its own private bath retreat. From the living room, flow seamlessly into the bright dining space and a stylish kitchen featuring granite countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Beside the dining area is the second bedroom, filled with natural light and a cozy feel. Not far from the kitchen, a sleek and modern bathroom serves guests in the nearby rooms. Next, you'll find the third bedroom, and at the end of the hall, a fourth room perfect as a guest suite, office, or bonus space. Step outside to a large private backyard, ideal for weekend gatherings or quiet mornings. This home offers unbeatable value in a fast-growing neighborhood. Call us at 281-305-2520 or visit us at harbertgroup.com to schedule your private showing today.